Now we're going to do this graph of this exponential. We can list the transformations first, but it's important to recognize that the parent function here is y equals 3 to the x. That's the parent function. So my parent function points are going to be 0, 1. That's a point that's on every exponential, and then the other point is going to be 1, 3. So it's always going to be 0, 1, and then 1, whatever the base of that exponent is. So for this problem, it's a 3. So this 3 is indicating that that's going to be a 3. If this parent function were 4 to the x, then that would be 1, 4. Okay, so my parent function points are 0, 1, and 1, 1, 2, 3. And so this would be going sort of out like that. We can list our transformations like we normally would. So this 2, so this is C, this is A, B, A and B up here, C, and then D would be out here, but we don't have a D transformation. So if we list my transformations, I'm going to take that 1 minus x, and I'm going to call it negative x plus 1. And then you can see you have an A transformation, so we have to factor that out. So it's actually going to be negative 1 x minus 1. So my A transformation is reflect over y. My B transformation is right 1. So A, B, C. My C transformation is a vertical stretch of 2. And I don't have a D transformation. So this is what I have. I'm going to take my parent function points. I'm going to reflect this point over y so it doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to go right 1. And then I'm going to vertical stretch of 2. Vertically, I'm a height of 1, so if I stretch it by a factor of 2, I go to right here. Take your other point, which is 1, 3, reflect it over y, go right 1, and then do a vertical stretch of 2. So vertically, I have a height of 3, so a vertical stretch is going to put me on 6 right here. So these are my 2 points, and so it's going to go like this, and then it's going to... So keep in mind, I kind of do this graph a little flat up here. It would actually keep coming down here. So the parent function of an exponential has a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. And that didn't change because I didn't have a D transformation. So I didn't move it up or down any, so this is still going to come down and get pretty close to 0 here. The domain of this graph is going to be all reals, because this is going to keep eventually going out that way. But the range is going to be y is greater than 0. Or you could write it as 0 to infinity. It doesn't get equal to it because of that horizontal asymptote right there.